Welcome to lesson 12. We're going to make things move. So checking out how this is going to work. Let's read it. We're going to make a background, right? We got a variable, sorry, that started at 0. The text size is going to be 0, right? And then the text is going to say 0. Then, and it's going to be placed 0, 400, which is in the bottom left right here. So there'll be a text that's 0 size and says 0. And then 0 will become 0 plus 1, which is 1. So now it'll be 1 text size, and the word will be 1. Then 1 will equal 1 plus 1, so it's 2. So it's going to keep going, and it's going to count up all the time, and the size of the text is going to get bigger, and the number itself will get bigger. Run it. There it goes. It's happening a lot. Then next, we've got a jet moving. You get this plane moving. And it should go over to the right, just like this one over here. So, how we do that? Let's take a look at how they move that one. So they got the jet Y, right? And it started, let's say 400 equals 400 minus 3. So then it's 397 the first time it runs. Next time it runs, it's going to be 394. So it's moving up 3 because of that jet Y -3. So we need the same thing, but we're going to move our plane. So we've got under variables, we've got this assign a variable, right? We're going to move the plane over, and I'm just going to type it out. It's going to be a little easier than go and find stuff. So I'm going to go plane dot x, not y, because we're moving on the x axis and we're moving over to the right. So I'm going to go plane dot x equals plane dot x, and we got to go positive plus 3, right? Let's push enter on that. Reset run. Nice. So it's updating. We started at 50, the plane did, and then the next time it was 53 because of this, and then the next time 56. So it kept moving to the right, updating the x value each time we ran. Beautiful. Let's try it again. Let's get this fly to move. So under variables, I need my x. Update my fly dot x, but then this time we're going to go fly dot x minus 3 because we're moving to the left. So we got to go subtraction on this to get this thing moving, right? And again, we've got our background in there. We got our sprites that are wrapping this thing because we need to redraw our background, and then we need to redraw the sprite at its new location. Nice. Again, last one for this video, we got a mouse moving straight down. We want it to go diagonal. And a new thing that we're going to pay attention to is our watchers down here. So right now, you can see my X is not changing, and it's moving Y down all the time. Let's reset and run. So it started at like 60, and it's moving at how fast? It's just going up 2 each time, but the watcher's not catching each one of those. It's moving too far before it's updated. So it's moving in the Y positive, which is down. We need to move it to the right. So I'm going to grab my variables. I'm going to drag in, oh, wrong one. We need this one. And then we need the mouse x to equal mouse dot x, and we need to move in the positive direction 3. Mouse x 3. Run it. Oh, I said equals 3. Why did I do that? Now, I probably had to pull it out, but I gotta go positive there. And bada bing, we got it. Looks good. I'm pulling up the blocks again so we can see how that looks. Again, drawing the background first, updating the Y, so we moved it down, and then updating the X, so we moved it to the right. And then we drew the sprites in their new location. So we are drawing the background, updating location, and then drawing the sprite again. So, and it repeats on that loop. All right, good job. 12.5 finito. Good luck.